Weak early winter blizzards virtually paralyze parts of Pennsylvania, New York, and Ohio. A state of emergency brings National Guard and helicopters to the scene as whole communities are isolated. With food supplies running low at East Springfield, Pennsylvania, a helicopter is loaded with emergency stores for the snowbound town. Snow in the affected areas ranges from 2 to 4 feet deep, bringing almost all highway traffic to a standstill. All government and private agencies are mobilized to clear the clogged roads in snowstorms that have caused 3 known deaths. Even as residents dig out, more snow is forecast for the area as Old Man Winter makes an early bow.